Dive into the world of Italian cuisine with a fascinating fact. Did you know the word tiramisu translates to pick me up or cheer me up in English? Not surprising given its deliciously indulgent combination of coffee, cocoa, and mascarpone cheese. This iconic dessert is believed to have originated during the 17th century in the region of Veneto, Italy. Now it graces dessert menus worldwide. It's worth taking the time to make your own tiramisu at home. The process is simpler than you might think, and the results are incredibly rewarding. A few tips can make your homemade version rival any restaurant's offering. First, quality is key. Choose the best ingredients for the perfect tiramisu. Fresh eggs, high-quality mascarpone cheese, and good espresso coffee can make all the difference. And don't forget the ladyfingers. They should be dry and crisp, not soft. Next, remember this. Tiramisu is all about the balance of flavors. The rich creaminess of the mascarpone, the bitterness of the coffee, and the sweetness of the sugar should all harmonize in each bite. So don't skimp on any of these elements. When assembling your tiramisu, patience is a virtue. Dip each ladyfinger briefly into the coffee. They should be soaked but not falling apart. Layer them with the mascarpone mixture and repeat until all ingredients are used up. This isn't a dessert to rush. One of the secrets to a great tiramisu is to let it rest. Once assembled, leave your tiramisu in the fridge for at least 6 hours, or better yet, overnight. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. Finally, just before serving, dust the top with a generous layer of cocoa powder. This gives your tiramisu that classic rustic look and adds an extra layer of flavor. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if your first attempt doesn't turn out exactly as you hoped. As with any culinary endeavor, the joy is in the journey. Each attempt brings you one step closer to your perfect tiramisu. And when you do nail that recipe, don't keep it to yourself. Share your tiramisu masterpiece with friends and family. Or better yet, share it with the world. Post your creation on social media. Tag it #MyTiramisuJourney. Tiramisu is more than just a dessert, it's an experience, a celebration of Italian culinary tradition. So embrace the process, enjoy the flavors, and above all, have fun. After all, isn't that what cooking is all about? Now go forth and create your perfect tiramisu. Buon appetito!